What are we doing?
We're gonna go to the range and go shooting in the rain. In the rain, we have to do close up. Do you see my boogers?
My boogers.
Kitty! We got a new addition! His name is Kitty!
Look, even he matched Ariana.
Hey, Toe.
It's been a hot second, but we are back. We're back. Better than ever. Bryson, come here.
Drop it.
Look at this monkey. Look at how big he is. He's so tall. Say something.
What?
Say like a sentence. Like, what are we doing?
What are we doing?
No. Say, I'm asking you a question. What are we doing?
Going on a range.
How do you think he's doing?
Good. He's actually doing real awesome.
Let's go, look! Yes! Yes, Toe! Yes!
Toby.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send that to your Chick-fil-A boyfriend.
Toby.
Hold that. Next. Sit.
Almost got the line.
This is a lot harder than it seems.
Where are you aiming?
Don't ask questions.
She's so aiming for that line.
Oh, there you go.
That's 10.
One more. Sit. Oh, okay.
Wow.
One.
That was fun.
Ten of them.
No.
Sit. Sit. Huh?
Huh?
Through there?
Are you doing the thing that the guy did in Pennsylvania?
Sit.
Good dog.
See, isn't it useful?
That's my good man.
There's this thing this guy taught us in Pennsylvania where you either dry fire or there's a bullet, but the person shooting doesn't know.
Exactly.
It's very useful. It started with me.
Didn't flinch, did you?
So sit. Sit.
I'll stand behind him. He can look in his rear view.
Huh?
So I'll stand behind him. He can look in his rear view.
Stay.
A little bit. There you go.
He's just not holding the gun.
Who's next?
Sit.
See a gun.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the. Okay.
That looked match.
Could be here. Sit. Sit. Good dog. That's a sweet dog, huh? Yes, that is. Ah!
It's just scary.
Have the shakes.
Okay, this is Bryson. This is Bryson. That is also Bryson. Like, he's actually shooting the ground. Okay. This is also Bryson. This is Ariana. This is Damien Lynn.
The bottom half
This
is
is
me.
me. That's Daddy.
Oh wait, so I've been the closest to target that hasn't hit the target.
Good Bonnie.
Yeah, I know that hasn't hit the target.